And I am the world's worst painter. I don't like painting.
No, so that...
No good at painting.
No, it's the... He doesn't like it. That's why he doesn't think he's good at it.
Yeah. Hi, Chad here with Purple Collar Life. You saw in a previous video that we pressure washed this entire deck using that surface cleaner and the Ryobi pressure washer. I think it did a great job getting us back down to this bare wood. Now we're ready to put the stain down. But before I stain it, I want to see what the moisture level is to make sure it's dry enough to stain. If you watched my moisture meter video, I was testing the moisture level in firewood before we burned it. So this one's going to tell us the moisture down underneath the surface. We'll go ahead and give that a look right now. I'm going to use it on softwood because this is pressure treated and it's probably still considered softwood. And it's saying mid-level, 20%. Let's just, out of curiosity, change it to see if this were hardwood, what it would think. 10.7 dry. We're seeing 4.9. It says it's dry. Let's check over here. 7.7. 7.9.
What about in the places that it doesn't get direct sun? I guess it also doesn't get the rain either.
Right. I'd say we're fine to stain today.
I still can't believe, Chad, how well the pressure washer surface thing did.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks like a new deck.
So to stain the porch, we're actually using the same stain that we've used at our house. We've had really good luck with it. This is a Bear. It says semi-transparent, but it actually is more of a paint than a transparent stain, I think, in my opinion. This particular color is Redwood Natural. So if you're seeing this and think it's a color you like, I wanted to let you know what that was. It's base 5077 Redwood Natural, and we've used it in the past. We like it. It goes on pretty easily. It says...
He says that, but he's never actually done any of the staining.
That's true. 6 years on decks, 8 years on fences and siding. So this
Although, if we would let our deck go 6 years, our porch go 6 years without staining, it would look pretty rough.
Yeah.
I would say every 3 years to keep it looking good.
And I am the world's worst painter. I don't like painting.
No, so that...
No good at painting.
No, it's the... He doesn't like it. That's why he doesn't think he's good at it.
Yeah. So I brought a couple things to try to make it a little easier. We've never stained with a roller before, but we're going to give it a try on the surface of the porch.
I forgot we had the extender thing.
So we'll just be able to screw this in here.
So how about I'll do that and you be on your hands and knees doing the cracks.
And then paint like that. Give that a try. I'm not sure if it'll work or not, but we'll certainly try it and let you know how it works out. So here's how we're looking so far. Jennifer, what do you think about the rolling on method?
Yeah, I was irritated at first that we were going to have to go over it with the brush to get the design of the nap of the roller, but it's still way easier and it's quick. You just go over it. I definitely will not be using a brush to do our porch again.
So here's a status update. We started on that corner, worked our way down this side, and then we started up here in this corner, worked our way back to the door. Now we've just got this strip here in the middle to do, which was our walkway in and out from the steps. So we'll start on the far end there, work our way back here to the steps. How long do you think we've been working?
Well, 30 minutes of screwing around trying to get set up and only probably 30 minutes of staining.
Not too bad. I think it'll definitely need another coat in a few days because it's soaking in pretty fast. This hasn't been stained in a while.
It was about 40 minutes just to do the... That's faster than... That's way faster than the question.
There's the deck floor. One coat of stain on. Went much faster than we thought. Jennifer says it took 40 minutes.
This will be our new staining process. Roll it and then just go over it with a brush.
So now she's working on the railing.
I'm a sloppy railing painter. I'm a sloppy painter in general.
A little over 24 hours later, wanted to come up and take a look at how the porch stain turned out. I think it looks great, really good. Use another coat here on the steps and probably another coat on the entire porch, but for the first coat, I'm impressed. So I stepped it off. The deck is roughly 12 by 18. Just to give you a rough idea about the size of a deck you can do with a gallon of stain. That bare stain particularly is what we used. The deck, the railing. And remember, this doesn't have a whole bunch of spindles. The new decks probably have more spindles. That would take a lot more stain to do all the four sides of the spindle.
And all of this wood was super dry.
It was.
Like it hasn't been stained in a long time. So if we have time, I would like to put another coat on it.
After a couple days.
Yeah.
So we'll let it dry for at least 48 hours and then we can put another coat on. Second coat should take far less stain because you're staining over top of the fresher stain. It shouldn't soak in quite as much. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if it helped out in any way, please give us a thumbs up down below. If you're not already a subscriber, click that subscribe button, share with your friends, and we'll see you again the next time.